Welcome to the tour of Celebrity Edge Sunset Veranda, room 1261. The Sunset Verandas are located in the very back or the aft of the ship. They are about 200 steps down to the stairs and elevators. This is the room. You open the door, your keys are located right by your room number. You open the door and there's a little hallway that you have to go into, and there's 12-259 and 12-261. So there's a little hallway you have to go to find your room. The deep sleep signs are very helpful. Even if you're not sleeping, we tend to put this sign on the outside of the door to let the cabin steward know that we do not want to be disturbed. So we'll put that on there when we're changing, or even if we go down for breakfast in the morning, to make sure we don't get disturbed and they don't make up the room until we're ready. This is the room. It's a beautiful room done in grays. See, it's a very long cabin. And when you first come in, there's the bathroom. There's shampoo, conditioner, and bath gel provided in the shower. And then toilet, glasses, and it's a nice, very long sink on edge. There's body lotion and about 1 bar of soap as well. Over here, we have the thermostat. It controls the temperature and the lights. So the morning, evening, movie, and sleep lights will control the lights and dim them and lower them, and then you can control the temperature over here. Now there's a secret little hiding place here, or storage place, which we didn't realize the first time we were on the maiden voyage that was here. But if you open up the area above the decoration, and there's a storage area up there and down below as well. You can see these laundry bags, a nice tote bag, so it's a canvas tote bag with straps. So then you could use that to bring your beach towels to the pool or for shore excursion. And they'll provide towels the night before for the days you'll be at port. Then to the left of the bed is the closet. There's a safe. You can see the drawer space. And it's 2 sections, a higher section for long clothes, and then the one on the right, it has 2 robes. And no slippers though. Okay, so 2 robes, no slippers here for the normal Sunset Veranda. See the lighting and the bedside table. Lots of pillows. And over here is the makeup or vanity table. There are activities listed here on the paper they leave you. Sign up for shore excursions, or we tend to book ours before the trip on the website, and you can get a little discount too if you book before you arrive, and also you're assured of not being sold out. Over here are the activities, the free drinks, coffee lounge, cocktail hours for the Captain's Club elite members. This is your storage area. On top is where you have your plug outlets. You can see 2 USB on the right, and then traditional plug outlets here, and then a 220 volt there. You have your minibar there. And some nice big drawers as well. You'll hang, if you want room service for breakfast, you could hang these cards outside your door by 2 a.m. and you can see the different times that you could have room service delivered for free to your room. You can see here the menu for room service breakfast. If you do want coffee or tea, make sure you add on milk or cream for your coffee or tea. And if you like ketchup for your eggs too, make sure you add that on as well. Otherwise, they don't include it. So room service is nice. We like to get that when we're going to be arriving at an island or port, so that way you could have it delivered early. You don't even have to get up, get dressed. And then we tend to have it outside on our balcony. You can see my husband's legs. See this nice, long, spacious couch in the room. You can see here on the right side, there is one plug outlet and 2 USB ports for charging. On the other side of the bed, there is no outlets though, or USB charging ports. So you have the ones on the right side of the bed and then in the box on the desk. This is the Sunset Veranda. It's a traditional balcony cabin, which we really enjoy compared to the Infinite Verandas. It came with two lower chairs. They don't recline though, and one lounge chair, which was really nice surprise because we didn't see that when we were on the maiden voyage. We are on the 12th floor, which is the floor right below the ocean view and the Sunset Bar. From our last cruise on the maiden voyage, we did hear the chairs scraping on the balcony a little bit early in the morning, but it wasn't a problem. We would fall back to sleep. So you can see the space you have on the balcony. It's a good amount of space. It's not the largest one they offer, but it's nice. And here is Fort Lauderdale. You should be leaving out over there. And over there is a Princess cruise ship, and we stayed at the Embassy Suites over there, and we could see the cruise ships, which was nice, and watch them leave in the evening around 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. Okay, so this is the Sunset Verandah, 12261 on Celebrity Edge. As far as the dining, there are several free dining room options here, not just one dining room. There is the Normandy and Cosmopolitan, Tuscan, Cyprus, and they have different themes and different kinds of food. There is Captain's Classic menu, which is the same menu on all the restaurants, and it's the same for every evening. The Celebrity Signatures are the section of the menu that changes every evening. So if there's something particular you want, the Celebrity Signature section is the one day or evening that you'll be able to get that meal. At each of the restaurants, the menu does not change for the entire cruise, so you could always come back to that same restaurant and get that same entree or appetizer before. And we have the Celebrity Select Dining, which is you could arrive anytime the dining room is opened for your dinner, or you can make a reservation online as well. So for some of the nights, especially tonight, we did make reservations for it. You could see the hours of operation in your Celebrity Today. And make sure when you come on board, you do on your Celebrity app the safety briefing. You need to do the briefing, then to report to your muster station with your CPAS card so they could verify that you've done the safety briefing. All the guests must do it before the ship can leave. So make sure it's one of the first things you do besides go to OceanView for your first meal of the day. And you can see that's on deck 4. Here's the different restaurants, the specialty restaurants. The OceanView Cafe is free. The main dining restaurants you can see are on decks 3 and 4. Blue is for the aqua class, Lumini is for the suite class, so you have to book a suite in order to go to Lumini. And Le Petit Chef is the animation restaurant, which has a fun animation you could watch, and the food arrives looking like what the cartoon characters created. Eden is a very unique, dining experience, and we have reservations for tonight at Eden. Fine Cut Steakhouse, and then Raw and 5, which is the sushi restaurant. For Raw and 5, all the entrees in sushi is served, you have to pay per piece. And you can see the OceanView Cafe, coffee, tea, juices, pizza and pasta. All of this is free, and it's open as late as 1 a.m. Cafe El Baccio is one of our favorite places on any cruise ship. It has coffee, cappuccinos. You do have to pay for those unless you have a drink package. And there is also one, although this one is located in the OceanView Cafe. They have free pastries. It's really fun to go every day to see what's new. You can see all the different bars listed as well. So the main dining room restaurants are from 5:30 to 9. So if you have select dining, you can arrive at any time there and show up. Or as I said, you can make reservations. Okay, so this is the tour of Celebrity Edge Sunset Verandah. And it does have, the Sunset Verandas have the traditional balconies, as you may be accustomed to. So we do prefer that, so we could open the door anytime we want and hear the breeze. The thing with the Infinite Verandas is it's more of a half window that comes down, and the captain may close it at times because of weather or cleaning the windows. So there may be times it's closed and you can't have that fresh air coming into your balcony, which is why we prefer the Sunset Verandas, because it is a traditional balcony. I hope you enjoyed your tour of Celebrity Edge, and have a great day. Happy cruising.